how you can read messages on Facebook Messenger app without it showing as read. You have to follow these steps carefully. You have to note that this won't remove previous read receipts, but I'll show you how to read a new chat without the person knowing you have read it. Let's begin. First, you'll have to open your Messenger app. You don't want to read messages with your connection on, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your airplane mode. And then once you do that, once you're offline, you just open the chat and read the messages. Now this is a very important step. You go back and then you click long press on their name and then mark it as unread. This is an important step you can't miss. Now you want to close this Messenger app completely and then go back again, turn off your airplane mode and turn on your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, you can now open the Messenger app again, and it should not let the person know that you've read the messages. I've tried this multiple times and it works. Thank you for watching.